Students, this topic is very important as for board examinations as well as the entrance examination and for further studies. Okay, so this topic is the effect of dielectric in capacitors. Okay, so first of all, let me consider a capacitor without dielectric. Here I don't have a dielectric. Okay, so here I don't have dielectric, and there is a potential difference which is connected with the 10 volt and the 10 volt battery, and there is a potential difference PD equal to 10 volt. There is electric field, charge and the capacitance. Okay, so in this condition, if the electric field is my E and potential difference, okay, you can write V also, but I have written this as 10 volt, so I will write this as 10 volt, and capacitance I will just write C, and charge is stored is Q and energy is U. Okay, let these be the parameters of this capacitor. In next case, now it is going to be very important, with dielectric and battery connected. I have inserted the dielectric whose dielectric constant is equal to K equal to 3, and the battery is not removed, the battery is already connected. Now I have given this value which is not usable in fact, but also for the idea, which is instantaneous values. Instantaneous value means the values as soon as you put the dielectric. Okay, so electric field, what happens is, if this is electric field from this plate to that plate, because of dielectric, as soon as you put the dielectric, it will get polarized and there will be an electric field in opposite direction. It means that instantaneous value, the electric field will decrease. Okay. Now if the electric field decreases, we know the formula of electric field, that is E is equal to V into D. Okay, D is constant because I am not changing the capacitor. The capacitor is same, this distance is same, area is same, battery is same, this is constant and it is reduced, then potential should also decrease. Okay, so this is instantaneous. Okay, then what will happen? Capacitance will always increase. Okay, because we know capacitance of dielectric is equal to K times of capacitance with air. Okay, in fact here is my air, nothing is there, so K times matlab here will be increased because of K equal to 3. Then charge instantaneously, if there were 1000 charges, now as soon as you put the dielectric, that will remain same, okay. Example, if you have a tap and you have a mug and the mug is filled with half of water, now as soon as you place it in the tap, the water will not change. Okay, but after some time it will keep on increasing because of the water pouring into this. Okay, so this is not so important and energy will remain same. But whenever you put and you leave it for some time, then what will happen to the electric field? Okay, first it was decreased. Okay, it was decreased, then potential difference was also decreased. Whenever you have insert dielectric plate, that time potential has become 8 volt. Okay, between this plate and that plate, instantaneously the potential was decreased. But this potential is 10 and this potential is 8. It means that there is potential difference. It means that from there the water, if you have this tank, okay, two tanks, if tank is high, if this is low, then the water will flow from this tank to that tank. Okay, similarly, this is high, this is low, then more charges will go here, more charges will go here. Okay, more charges will come here, more charges, and similarly here will be more negative. It means that then this will become plus 2 volt, this is equal to 10 volt. It means that this potential difference after some time will remain. How much was this? So this was 10 volt. Okay, 10 volt. Now from here, if it is not changing, if it was 10 volt, it was also 10 volt, D was not changed, same capacitor, then E will not change, so remain same. Understood? Now what will happen to the capacitance? Of course, whenever you put the dielectric, it will increase. And charge means if there were 1000 charges before, then whenever I put the dielectric, the potential become 8 volt, and because of this potential difference, the charges went, isn't it? The charges went in the plate. It means that there is an addition of charges, so it will also increase, isn't it? And please remember the battery is connected, okay? This is for battery connected. Now what will happen to the energy? What is energy? We have already derived this. Energy is work done in moving the charges from this battery to the plates. Okay. First there were 1000 charges and it was 1000 only. But whenever I put the dielectric, the potential become 8. Then there is potential difference. So the charges were flown from this battery to this plates. It means that there is addition of charges. So then charge will increase. Okay, charge will increase. Now let me go here. It is with dielectric, of course, with the dielectric and battery removed. So there is no battery. Now what will happen? Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so first it was the second case and this is my third case. Now I will put here what? I will put the dielectric, but I will remove the battery. So what will happen to the electric field? Okay, there is no battery, means if this is electric field from this plate to that plate, and there is another electric field due to dielectric, and since there is no battery, there was a battery, so more charges were flowing because of 8 volt and 10 volt difference. There is no battery, so electric field will decrease, and potential difference, of course, it will also decrease, but the capacitance will, what will happen? Increase. Okay, because whenever you put the capacitor with K, the dielectric capacitance of the dielectric will always increase, and then what will happen to the charge? If the capacitance increase, then what do you mean by this capacitor, right? If it is charged, then there is no external battery. It means that there is no potential difference, right? It means that there is no flow of charge. Here there was 10 volt and 8 volt, the charges were flowing, but there is no charge, no battery, no potential difference. Okay, so the charge will remain same and the energy will, okay, so it was U, okay, with this, and the energy will also reduce, REDUCE. Okay, because if you remove the battery, then what will happen? After some time there is positive charge and negative charges. Okay, there you have like this, positive and negative, isn't it? Polarized. Since there is no what? There is no potential difference, then what will happen? This will get diffuse. Diffuse matlab positive charge and negative charge will diffuse and energy will become less and less.